2021 Honda City Hatchback revealed as regional Fit Jazz replacement. It's much bigger than the Fit without clashing with the Civic hatchback. In an SUV hungry market, it's refreshing to see Honda has not given up on regular cars. A year after introducing the City sedan, its five-door counterpart is premiering today as a replacement in some markets for the Jazz Fit Supermini. It largely carries over the sedan styling but adapted to the smaller footprint as the City hatchback is 208mm 8.2 inches shorter. At 4,345 171.1 inches long. The new small hatch is significantly larger than the Jazz without stepping on the Civic hatchback toes. Even though it carries over the sedan's wheelbase, Honda says the five-door model boasts greater legroom and so-called ultra seats with utility, long, tall and refresh modes for extra convenience. In Thailand, where the City hatchback was unveiled today, Honda will sell the car with turbocharged 1.0-liter gasoline engine. The three-pot is good for 120 horsepower and 173 Newton meters, 128 pound-feet of torque channeled to the front wheels through a continuously variable transmission. There is a sporty-looking RS trim featured here in red, but it's all show without an extra go. The City hatchback RS range topper has more than just visual tweaks, as it also comes generously equipped with paddle shifters, 6 airbags, cruise control, rear charging ports, and an armrest for passengers sitting in the back. Honda also installed an 8-speaker sound system, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment, and red illumination for the digital screen in the instrument cluster. Prices in Thailand kick off at 599,000 baht, 19,700 for the base model, and rise to 749,000 baht, $24,700 for the aforementioned RS. The City nameplate is older than some people might think, have been around for nearly 4 decades, as the first generation was launched as subcompact car in 1981. It has grown tremendously since then, with this new hatchback being nearly 1 meter 39 inches long. Source Honda. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Cars Top Speed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cars Top Speed. Subscribe.